everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we're gonna do a feature wall. It's just gonna be like a mix of three colors, mainly a green one with a bit of metallic gold in it. In this room, it used to be a girl's room and there was like a mural painted on the wall and it was very textured. So if I was to paint the whole room a solid color like here, you could still see the painting that was on the wall prior. It would be a lot of sanding and we were just rushing to make this room to what it is today because we wanted to use it. So I decided to try something different and just go crazy with it, really. So I've started off with just a plain green wall, and we have a bit of dark green and this interesting paint that I've never worked with before. You know, I was just winging it. It's what I had. Like the gold paint that I'm using is probably 4 years old, and all I'm doing is putting a bit of paint on the brush, but mostly just dabbing it with my hand. As you can see, I got rubber gloves on, and as I was painting it, I took one of the gloves off and I held it in my hand so it's all squished and I used that glove just to do the effect on the wall. In some places you just rub it so it blurs it out, and in some of them you just tap and that creates a little bit of texture, which is exactly what I needed in order to hide the dragons. I also painted a little bit of the ceiling. Again, I wasn't planning on doing it, but I thought I'm gonna have a look what it's gonna look like, because the ceiling currently is pink. You can't really tell right now, but it wouldn't matter if I painted it green, didn't like it, and then decided just to paint it all whatever color. It's just that there's a chimney going up on the side. I'm currently looking at the wall, actually, that's why I'm pointing that way, and I just followed the line all the way across the ceiling to make the room feel a little bit bigger. Behind me you can see the old feature wall. It's from a previous house, because obviously you want your feature wall to be the one that you see as you walk into the room, but because this is an office and this is a computer, and if you're in a Zoom meeting and you want something nice to have behind you, I thought it's a bit much, but at the same time, people talking like I'm talking to you right now, you can see this quite cool greenery which I did myself a couple of years ago, and it's still standing. There's some LEDs going all the way around it, and we often get asked if those are real plants, which they are definitely not real. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'm gonna see you soon. Bye.